Send him inside.
Namaskar, Maharaj.
Who are you? Are you the Pandit I called for my wedding?
No.
Seems like he's never gonna get married.
I heard that the council members are very intelligent. I am here to test them.
That is what I always want. A little bit of mind turning is good. So, how do you want to test them?
Well, I want them to find out what my mother tongue is.
Maharaj, may I try?
Yes, sure.
તમે કેમ છો?
Madama.
Gujarati?
No.
Maharaj, may I try?
Yes.
और दसी कैसे हो?
Asi change.
और पंजाबी?
No. Next one, please.
The other courtiers do try to find out in their different way what Pandit's mother tongue was, but all in vain. Akbar's smartest jewel, Birbal, was standing quietly beside Akbar, thinking about how to find out the Pandit's mother tongue.
People, wouldn't you like to try? Give them time until tomorrow. For the night, you stay in the rooms of the palace.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
Jai Siya Ram.
They will never guess my mother tongue. I guess I'll just go to sleep and then tomorrow we'll take Birbal's place.
While the Pandit is sleeping, a peculiar shadow appears in front of the bed.
Ah!
The next morning,
शहंशाह के शहंशाह बादशाह अकबर दरबार में पधार रहे हैं।
Namaskar, Shahenshah.
People, did you find out what our kind Pandit is?
your mother tongue is Gujarati? No. Marathi? No. Rajasthani? No. Your mother tongue is Telugu.
But how did you?
Do you remember that someone splashed water on you and you shrieked, Yevararadi?
That was you?
Yes.
Namaskar everyone. It is always a pleasure to be here and talk about something vital. And today, MYP3 stands here to wish you Happy International Mother Language Day.
Well, we are not here to praise Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali or Marathi or any other language that is mine, her or your mother tongue.
Our aim is to explain why is mother tongue important.
Well, I want to ask a question. What happens when mother tongue? What happens when the crickets are played?
What does this question has to do with it? What we are talking about?
पहले बताइए हितेशी जी कि अगर पेड़ जड़ से उड़ जाएगा तो क्या होगा?
Sani, it would die. What else?
Exactly.
Yes, Hiteshi ji, if a tree gets uprooted, our feeling, expressions through words would die if our mother tongue dies.
So you mean to say that without mother tongue, our expressions or feelings in words wouldn't be effective? We'll be lost?
Why do we suddenly start
speaking in Hindi while caught off guard or in distress?
Because that's a language we're comfortable with.
Aha, and that is why we presented the Akbar, Birbal and Pandit skit. Pandit, when in discomfort, spoke in his mother tongue.
But again, if it's so, why do we learn other languages?
Good question, Somani ma'am. Take for example, English. We can't deny the fact that British ruled English and many other countries, and in that period, their language English was taught in schools, used in offices, and even after 100 or 64 years, we still use it. English is a linked language. If you speak in Marathi, I in Punjabi, someone else in Hindi, how will we understand each other?
This was about English. We also learn other languages like French, Spanish, German to have command over the languages, to read their literature in true form.
Literature और language का क्या लेना देना? I can read the translated stories or poetries or speeches.
तो कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले, अपनी भाषा की कुछ मुहावरे, कुछ चीज़ें कभी भी प्योर फॉर्म में ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर पाएगी. अब यही सोचना चाचा, मामा, फूफा जी, इंग्लिश में सब अंकल बन जाते हैं. अरे हमारी हिंदी में हर रिश्ते का अलग नाम है. ये तो हमारी ट्रांसलेटेड कहानी पढ़ने वाले समझ ही नहीं पाते.
True, yeah.
And that also means that instead of writing stories or novels or poems in a language which we are uncomfortable, we should opt for language you are well versed with, are expressive in.
Even English.
Yes, Chani, self-expression is important. Things can be translated.
But you said translations take the beauty away.
I still say that, but you cannot learn lakhs of languages in your lifespan, right?
Right.
Mother tongue will always be the one language we will go back to when we fall short of words in any other language.
It keeps connected to our culture. Example, a few prayers or greetings are always spoken in our mother tongue at home.
Yeah, I still greet elders at home with namaste or namaskar.
Here, I would also like to mention that many a times I and actually we all have observed people making fun of those who mispronounce or are not good with a language. I think this attitude is completely unjustified.
Yes, we should rather help them. We understand perfection should always be our motto, but human and his feelings should always be placed higher than this. We find Katrina talking in funny or mispronouncingly cute. Then why do we look down upon that someone in our own country who tries to speak well or hard in English or French or any other language?
मथुरा में कृष्ण के भजन आज भी विदेश से आए लोग ब्रजभाषा में ही गाते हैं. गांधी जी ने स्वराज हिंदी में कही थी, उसे लोग हर भाषा में पढ़ते हैं, परंतु गांधी जी को अपनी भाषा से कभी शर्म नहीं आती थी.
We should respect our mother tongue, Hideshi. Never be ashamed of using it.
Very true, Jyoti. So let's all today promise to promote and respect our mother tongue and also to encourage people to learn and try something new.
And now let's go back to Akbar's court.
People, you have proved once again you're the smartest of them all.
Shahanshah, I apologize for being an egoist. And Birbal-ji, today even I say without a doubt that you are the smartest.
Shahanshah, 3 Kathak dancers have come all the way from Lucknow.
Bring them inside with all the respect. Artists should be always honored and encouraged.
Yes, Shahanshah, Ma Saraswati resides in every artist.